Alright, you're on. You still run so... That was so weak. So weak. That was better, but you're not pulling your legs up.
What?
You have to... Take 3. Go. Don't fall. You still didn't do it. Alright, take 4. Come on.
Ready?
Yeah, I've been filming you. Pull your legs up to your chest and cross them. You look like a flopping fish going in.
What?
You look like a flopping fish going in. Take 5 of your cannonball that you cannot do.
Alright. Ready? Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Pull your legs up. It's not that hard. Dave. That was better. That was somewhat better.
What?
That was somewhat better.